Ladies and gents, we are back playing Granny Legacy. I do want to go ahead and change it over to hard. I can't. Okay. Oh, my bad. That was extreme. Turn off darker. Smooth movements. And we're going to put Grandpa on with the shotgun. Reason being is I don't think there's a lot of tutorials online that talk about parrying Grandpa shots. And if you guys have been watching Granny clips, you know, like, some dudes are really good at throwing objects or projectiles in front of Grandpa's shot so that it doesn't hit them. And that's what I'm going to be attempting to do and try to make a tutorial for you guys. Because just like y'all, I don't know how to do this. Where is it?
Oh, brother!
Right here? Right here. Oh, man. My bad, y'all. You're gonna have to get me with this, cowboy. Okay, like that. Bro, you still see me? Yeah, there we go. Oh, damn. Yeah. Okay, damn. Damn. Shit. Okay. Let's go ahead and pick up something else. Here we go. Oh! Well, that's it. Ooh! Alright, he's not going for it. Come here, cowboy. How do they do it? Like, they're like so good at it, you know? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Not right here. We're gonna go ahead and upgrade now. Oh, that's where I messed up. Oh. Hey. You're not hitting me like that. Okay. Now. Yep.
You suck!
Okay, too early. Right now. Okay. Yep. Oh, all right. You know what? I probably picked it up or did it too early. Okay, he got me. But okay, I think that's how you parry Grandpa. Look, I'm still not like that pro at it. But anyways, guys, that's it. I'll see y'all next time.